Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will see types of ensemble. So there are three types of ensemble. First one is microcanonical ensemble, second is canonical ensemble, and third one is grand canonical ensemble. So first of all, we will see what is ensemble. So ensemble is an assembly or collection of identical systems under two conditions. सो इंसेम्बल जो है वो कलेक्शन ऑफ आइडेंटिकल सिस्टम्स है और उसके लिए दो कंडीशंस है. फर्स्ट वन इज इट शुड बी द सिस्टम शुड बी मैक्रोस्कोपिकली आइडेंटिकल. मीन्स उसके जो पैरामीटर्स है लाइक उस सिस्टम का प्रेशर, टेम्परेचर, एनर्जी, वॉल्यूम and number of particles. These parameters of each and every system in this group should be same. And second condition is the system should be independent, means this system should not interact with each other. So these are the two conditions for ensemble. Now we will see the types of ensemble. The first type is microcanonical ensemble. So in microcanonical ensemble, the parameter energy, volume and number of particles should be same for each and every system in this group. And the wall should be rigid, impermeable and insulated. The wall is rigid and impermeable means it will not allow particles to pass through it. So कोई भी पार्टिकल सिस्टम के बाहर नहीं जाएगा, इसलिए द नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स of the system should be same, and so that the volume should also be same, and the wall is insulated so that there is no transfer of heat energy between the systems, so that energy is also same for every system in this group. So we have two conditions for microcanonical ensemble. First one is the wall should be rigid, impermeable and insulated, and second is the parameter energy, volume and number of particles should be same. So we can say that in microcanonical ensemble neither energy nor matter is exchanged between the systems. Now we will see what is canonical ensemble. So in canonical ensemble, the parameter temperature, वॉल्यूम एंड नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स ऑफ ईच सिस्टम शुड बी सेम. मतलब सिस्टम का टेम्परेचर, वॉल्यूम एंड नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स सेम होना चाहिए इन दिस ग्रुप. एंड द वॉल शुड बी रिजिड, इम्परमेबल एंड कंडक्टिंग. तो इस सिस्टम्स का वॉल जो है वो रिजिड एंड इम्परमेबल होगा. तो इम्परमेबल का मतलब सिस्टम विल नॉट अलाउ पार्टिकल्स टू पास थ्रू इच. एंड द वॉल इज कंडक्टिंग मीन्स अगर कोई सिस्टम का टेम्परेचर हाई होगा सो इट विल ट्रांसफर फ्रॉम हॉट बॉडी to cold body. So the temperature will transfer from these systems until equilibrium is obtained. So the temperature will also constant for each and every system. So for canonical ensemble we have two conditions. First one is the wall is rigid. The wall is rigid and impermeable means it will not allow number of particles to pass through it. Means it will not allow particles to pass through it. And the wall is conducting means the temperature will constant, temperature will be same. And second condition is the parameter temperature, volume and number of particles for each and every system in canonical ensemble is constant. So this is a canonical ensemble. Now we will see what is grand canonical ensemble. So in grand canonical ensemble the parameters temperature, volume and chemical potential, this is mu, we call it as mu is chemical potential. So these three parameters for grand canonical ensembles are constant. And in grand canonical ensemble the wall is rigid, permeable and conducting. So here the wall is permeable, so it will allow the particles to pass through it. So there will be transfer of particles between the systems and also temperature because the wall is conducting. So the temperature will flow from the systems until equilibrium is obtained from higher body to lower body. So the condition for grand canonical ensemble is, the first condition is temperature, volume and chemical potential should be constant. So what is chemical potential? So there are some atoms and molecules present in these systems and they are doing some work. So the capability of atoms and molecules to do a work, that capability of atoms and molecules we call it as a chemical potential. So chemical potential is ability to do work. And the second condition is wall should be rigid, permeable and conducting. So these are the two conditions for grand canonical ensemble. The first one is the wall should be rigid, permeable and conducting, and second is the parameters temperature, volume and chemical potentials are same. So we can say in grand canonical ensemble, both energy and matter are exchanged between the systems. So up to now we have seen types of ensemble. There are three types of ensemble. First one is microcanonical ensemble, second is canonical ensemble, and third one is grand canonical ensemble. So first we have seen microcanonical ensemble. So there are two conditions for microcanonical ensemble. The first condition is the parameters energy, volume and number of particles of each system should be same, and second condition is the wall is rigid, impermeable and insulated for microcanonical ensemble. In canonical ensemble, we have seen temperature, volume and number of particles for each system should be same, and the wall of the system is rigid, impermeable and conducting. So these are the two conditions for canonical ensemble. In grand canonical ensemble, we have seen the parameters temperature, volume and chemical potential are same for each system, and the wall is rigid, permeable and conducting. So these are the two conditions for grand canonical ensemble. So if you learn something new from this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.